Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I'm going to share with you another easy beginner card trick that's pretty fun to do, and it's got a little theme to it, okay? So you start off with a regular deck of cards and you can mix up the deck as much as you want, okay? Give them a quick little shuffle. Now as I go through the cards like this, I'm going to have the spectator just tell me when to stop at any point in time that they want. And let's say they stop me right there, okay? Go ahead and look at that card, remember it, okay? Lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. I have no idea where it is. Give the deck a nice cut, even mixing up the order of the cards. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the spectator just go ahead and show off their karate skills, okay? And I'm gonna have the spectator just go ahead and give the deck one little karate chop, okay? Gently, okay? Not too hard. I don't want them to break the table, okay? So I'll have the spectator go in and chop, just like that. The deck of cards. Magically, you see what that does? Is if I take the deck and just go ahead and riffle through, one card comes out of that side and one card comes out of that side, just like that. Two halves of one card have been chopped in half by a magic karate chop. Wouldn't it be amazing if that were their selected card? And that's karate. And it's a pretty easy beginner card trick, fun to do. Before I let you know how to do it, please like and subscribe to this video. I really appreciate it. It really helps this channel out. Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. This one was mentioned to me by a viewer by the name of Glenn Pullen, so shout out to Glenn, I appreciate it. I guess he performs this trick in his act, and so I thought it'd be neat to share with you guys as well, okay? So, karate, you're gonna need a spare card, and you're gonna end up forcing this card, okay? So you get, in this case, the 7 of diamonds, and I just got scissors and just cut it in half, okay? Now you're gonna find the matching 7 of diamonds in your deck that you use for magic here. And so what I did, I used a Hindu shuffle force, and there's plenty of ways you can force a card. The trick pretty much works the same no matter which way you do it. I have a playlist of card forces, different card forces you can use, and I'll put a link to that in the description, okay? So you get this 7 of diamonds and then the matching 7 of diamonds, okay? For this one, because these cards are not together, I like to put them about, 4 or 5 cards down from the bottom. Just any card, the card order doesn't matter. So just 4 or 5 cards down from the bottom. It just helps me grab onto these cards and they don't fly out of the deck as I'm doing the Hindu shuffle as much, okay? So it kind of keeps them in there sturdy, okay? So that's your setup. You have, roughly 5 cards. There's your cut card. 5 cards on top of that, okay? This is on the bottom. Make sure it's squared up and you're ready to go. You're all set. You can put these in the box, take them out, and you're ready to go, okay? So you have your force card now, regular force card on the bottom. The Hindu shuffle, and the Hindu shuffle is just taking top cards and maintaining the bottom card, okay? So I took some from the middle in the beginning just to show that you can shuffle the cards, mix them up a little bit. And then when you go to force the card, then you're just, this is my left hand, this is my right hand. I'm just with my left hand, just grabbing a few cards off the top, letting them fall into my left hand. And then with my right hand, I'm just doing this motion, okay? So I'm just taking cards off the top, letting them drop, maintaining this bottom card, okay? Maintaining the bottom card. They stop you whenever they want, and then you stop and say, okay, remember this card, 7 of diamonds. Boom, it's forced. And now you kind of want the half card, the gimmick, kind of somewhere in the middle of the deck. So I just give it a cut, just getting it, depending on where they stop you, obviously, just kind of get the gimmick card in the middle. Now when you riffle through the cards, you say, do a karate chop, boom. When you riffle, if you put pressure on this side and riffle this side, that one half will come out of the deck, okay, like that. And then if you just turn the deck around and do the same thing, put pressure on this bottom, and then riffle that. Not too much, you don't want it to pop out, okay? Then that one will shoot out, okay? And so you show that you have 2 halves of the card. You can pull them out, flip them over, and boom, that's the 7 of diamonds. And then the 7 of diamonds is in here. Don't worry about it. You know, they're more focused on this. It's a gag kind of magic trick, karate. But boom, you found their card. Okay? And then so that's karate. It's nice and easy. It's really easy to do. There are other ways, you know, if you want to, this is beginner trick. So if you want to ditch the 7 of diamonds, you know, worried about that, that'll be for another tutorial. But for this one, boom, 7 of diamonds, it's in half, and it's their card. Let me know what you think. I appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I post tutorials usually every Wednesday, all on magic, and some are easy, some are harder, so it's just a mix of everything. So I appreciate it. Let me know what you think, and until next time.